supported by smooth mango fruit drink, refresh with mango. Refreshment for everyone.
कोहोला त्यो मसँग खजुदाउने नचिने नि मसँग लीला जाउने डाँडा पारीको गाउँमा गोधुली त्यो साँझैमा
कोहोला त्यो मसँग आँखा जुदाउनेबाट मोडलिङ सुरु गरेकी प्रकृति श्रेष्ठ मोडलिङ क्षेत्रको चर्चित नाम हो। कोहोला त्यो, हनी बनी, आई लभ यू, पुनर्जन्ममा जस्ता हिट गीतहरूमा मोडलिङ गरेकी प्रकृतिले होस्टेल फिल्मबाट चलचित्र क्षेत्रमा पाइला राखेकी हुन्। उत्सव, जिन्दगी रक्स, आभास जस्ता चलचित्रमा पनि उनले काम गरिसकेकी छिन्। प्रकृतिले धेरै लोकप्रियता हासिल गर्न सफल पनि भइन्। प्रकृतिले सन् 2014 जुलाईमा सुदीप न्यौपानेसँग प्रेम विवाह गरेकी हुन्। विवाह पश्चात उनी अस्ट्रेलियामा सेटल भइसकेकी छिन्। प्रकृति र सुदीपले विवाहको 6औं वार्षिक उत्सव मनाएका छन्। 6th एनिभर्सरी स्पेशलमा प्रकृतिले पति सुदीपलाई स्पेशल तरिकाले विश गरेकी छिन्। प्रकृतिले 3 तहमा विश गरेकी छिन्। उनले आफ्नो मायाको यात्रा 3वटा फेजहरूमा दर्शाएकी छिन्। पहिलो फेज हो फ्रम फ्रेन्ड टु बोयफ्रेन्ड। फ्रम फ्रेन्ड टु बोयफ्रेन्डमा उनी लेख्छिन्, Dear Chuche, I still get butterflies when I recall those college days. When we meet for the first time, we already found something in common, and that was attraction. It brings smile when I remember how I used to hide a bag so that I could get an excuse to talk to you. If I look at that phase, I find ourselves wise as we both wanted to make a first move by being friends. In fact, we became real good friends. We began to find happiness in combined studies, sorry letters, hidden roses in notebooks, dedicated songs, and endless phone calls and messages. We were so young to know the true meaning of love. We didn't know what is until we had our long-distance relationship. It was hard. I still remember how I used to collect coins to make just one phone call to hear your voice, to go cyber to have your one glimpse. It was exhausting to have faith and patience every time, but we held each other. We never let each other give up, and we made it happen. That's why From Friends to High School Sweethearts phase is the most favorite chapter of my entire life that I never get bored of sharing with people. Yours, Neptu भन्दै उनले फ्रेन्ड्स टु बोयफ्रेन्डको जर्नी शेयर गरेकी छिन्। पहिलो पटक प्रकृति र सुदीप कलेजमा भेटेका थिए। कलेजबाट नै उनीहरूको चिनाजानी भएको थियो। साथैदेखि बोयफ्रेन्ड भएको जुन यात्रा छ त्यो प्रकृतिलाई एकदमै मनपर्ने उनको जीवनको एक अध्याय हो भनेर उनले बताएकी छिन्। त्यस्तै प्रकृति र सुदीपको अर्को फेज हो फ्रम बिङ बोयफ्रेन्ड टु हस्बेन्ड। फ्रम बिङ बोयफ्रेन्ड टु हस्बेन्ड प्रकृति भन्छिन्, Dear husband, when we both see our wedding pictures, we still strongly feel how hard it was to take the biggest decision. Our families were more excited for our union. We were happy but not really happy. Happy, in fact, we were flicked by thinking about our future and coming challenges. After having a long-distance relationship for 2.5 years, we both were in an awkward situation where we were not comfortably saying yes for the marriage. We wanted to take time, we wanted to fall in love again, we wanted to dream again, but we knew it was not easy. Seeing virtually for years and seeing physically after were totally different things we experienced. But again, we had patience, we spent time together, we started collecting the broken pieces, we started falling in from falling out. We strongly believed in working on it together. Moreover, we believed in ourselves. And here we are. I know people saw our journey as a fairy tale, but it was not. It was tough, challenging, and scary, but it was worth it. I love you for not giving up our childhood dream of growing old with each other. Truly yours, wife भन्दै प्रकृतिले बोयफ्रेन्डबाट हस्बेन्ड भएको त्यो यात्रा शेयर गरेकी छिन्। बोयफ्रेन्डदेखि हस्बेन्डसम्मको जुन यात्रा थियो त्यो पनि एकदमै कठिन थियो भनेर प्रकृतिले शेयर गरेकी छिन्। करिब 2.5 वर्षको लङ डिस्टेन्स रिलेसनसिपमा बसिसकेपछि प्रकृति र सुदीप विवाह बन्धनमा बाँधिएका थिए। त्यसपछि थर्ड फेज हो फ्रम बिङ हस्बैंड टु बेस्ट फ्रेंड. Yes, indeed, from being husband to best friend, Prakriti भन्छिन्. Dear best friend, today I feel I am more calm and emotionally settled as I have you with a promise of being for each other forever. When we started our journey as partners, I was more freaked. Seeing you 24 hours was exciting and scary at the same time. I used to ask myself, what if I don't love you after knowing everything about you? Your many habits had annoyed me and still they do. I do lose my temper when I see you throwing your clothes on floor, messing things, being lazy and many more. I have the lists. I know my spending too much habit annoys you too. It was not easy to stick with each other after having so many differences. Moreover, we were too young to handle our marriage gracefully. We know we were honest about our emotions and opinions, no matter how painful it was for each other, but that honestly got me my best friend who is a good listener, good critic, humorous and sensible. From first year till now, we both are learning every day. Learning to enjoy exploring about each other, learning to accept the differences, learning to enjoy our silences, and many things. This 12 years of companionship has got us experience different forms of love. It came with different phases and meanings that we cannot define it in one word. Thank you for letting me experience all these and bringing so much of joy and comfort. I am blessed to have you as my friend, boyfriend, husband, best friend. Just everything I need. Getting to grow old with you is the best thing I could ever ask for. May we get to celebrate our presence in each other's life forever. May we get stronger together. I love you baby and happy anniversary. भन्दै प्रकृतिले हस्बेन्डदेखि बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड भएको यात्रा सेयर गरेकी छिन्. 12 वर्षको सम्बन्धमा प्रकृतिले थुप्रै कुराको एक्सपिरियन्स गरेको कुरा पनि उनले बताएकी छिन्. यसरी 3वटा फेजबाट प्रकृतिले आफ्ना लभिङ हस्बेन्ड सुदीपलाई एनिभर्सरीको स्पेशल विश दिएकी छिन्. प्रकृति र सुदीपलाई हाम्रो तर्फबाट पनि 6th वेडिङ एनिभर्सरीको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना छ. तपाईहरु पनि प्रकृति र सुदीपलाई एनिभर्सरी विशेसहरु दिन चाहनुहुन्छ भने कमेन्टमा लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the video link and enjoy watching the videos.